So guys, I'm gonna break into one.
Box. Oh,
Nice and crunchy. Listen to that. Let me bite it. So guys, to start this recipe, in my frying pan, I'm going to go in with some chili infused coconut oil from CGA Limited. To that, I'm going to go in with some onions, 1 hot pepper chopped. Just allow that to saute for about 20 seconds. We just want to soften the onions. Now I'm going to go in with some shredded carrots, some minced garlic, and 1 scallion chopped. I'm going to add a little bit of salt, season, and we're going to saute this or sweat those vegetables until they're tender. Okay, the aromatics are nice and tender. I just took off my stove and I'm going in with some bird pepper or some chili pepper. And now I'm adding this in last because I want a little bit of that raw flavor from the pepper. And the heat, the residual heat from the vegetables, it's going to cook that pepper slightly. So directly to my aromatics, I'm going to go in with my potatoes that I boiled. And using a fork, I'm just going to smash these up. And this wouldn't be complete if I didn't add some of my favorite seasoning, this Goya adobo all-purpose seasoning. And if you don't have this, of course, feel free to use regular all-purpose seasoning. Keep in mind we need to add some cheese into this once it cools down, so don't go too heavy on your salt or your all-purpose seasoning. Okay, now that my filling has cooled down, I'm going to go in with cheese. And guys, put as much or as little cheese as you would like. And I'm using a Kobe Monterey Jack cheese here. I really like how it melts. And I'm just going to mix that in. Okay, so just set this aside. Let's work on our dough. So to my flour, I'm going in with some salt and some ghee, and I prefer using ghee, guys. We're going to break that up into the flour, and then we're going to knead this to create a very firm dough. Once your dough comes together, you want to knead it for like about 5 minutes, and then we'll go ahead and cover it and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes. After resting, make your dough balls. Now this makes 8, but my son took 1, so hence the reason why I have 7. Open it out to 1/4 inch thinness and cut it into a half. And this is how we're going to fold it. So you bring one side over, you put some water on that side, and then on the other side you put some water. Bring that other edge over, and then you're going to touch it on that end, and then you're going to press it down to seal. Make sure the top, you seal the top also. And then you just pick it up, and there you have your cone. Now from here is where we would move on to filling this. So I'm taking my filling and I'm going to be filling this. Make sure you get it down to the tip, guys, and leave about 1/2 inch open to the top so you can close it like this. Now once you press that properly to seal, you're going to bend over the bottom piece so we could create like a little foot for the samosa to stand up. If you wanted to not do that, of course you can, and that's how it would look. So these are going to go into my oil that is on a medium-low heat. These are going to take their time and fry so that it has a nice crisp exterior. Now you want to be careful when you're frying these, because if the cheese oozes out, it's going to start to burn and make a mess in the oil. So fry them until they have a nice, a light golden color, and then they're ready to be eaten.
Boss.
So guys, I'm gonna break into one.
Boss. Oh,
Nice and crunchy. Listen to that. Let me bite it. Very crunchy and very tasty. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below if you like it. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure and check out my other chicken samosa video. I'll link it for you all in this video as an end card. If you're new to my channel, I hope you like and you subscribe. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'm glad you guys I'm keeping you guys company during this time, so stay safe, and I love all of you for watching. Bye.